Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your operational efficiency with FedEx, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current operational processes. Identify key areas where efficiency can be improved. Gather data on package handling times and delivery metrics. Analyze your shipping volume trends over the past few months. Review customer feedback on delivery experiences. Set specific goals for operational efficiency improvements. Reach out to your FedEx account representative to discuss your needs. Explore FedEx shipping solutions tailored to your business. Consider utilizing FedEx's advanced tracking tools for better visibility. Implement FedEx's online shipping tools to streamline label creation. Evaluate your packaging materials and methods for cost effectiveness. Train your team on best practices for preparing shipments. Utilize FedEx SmartPost for cost-effective, residential deliveries. Regularly review shipping routes to optimize delivery efficiency. Incorporate FedEx's analytics tools to monitor performance. Adjust your strategies based on the feedback and data collected. Schedule periodic reviews of your operational processes with your team. Continuously seek out innovative solutions from FedEx's services. Set up alerts and notifications for shipment statuses. Keep communication lines open with FedEx for ongoing support. Reassess your operational efficiency after implementing changes. Document all improvements and challenges faced during the process. Celebrate successes and identify any areas for further improvement. Make operational efficiency a continuous focus within your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.